Oh captain, my captain. Oh captain, my captain, our fearful trip is done. The ship was weathered every rock. The prize we sought is won. The port is near. The bells I hear. All people are exulting. While Palo eyes the steady kneel, the vessel grim and daring. But, but oh heart, 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 oh the bleeding drop of red, where on the deck of my captain lies, fallen cold and dead. Oh captain, my captain, rise up and hear the bells. Rise up, for you the flag is flung, for you to bring your pole thrills, for your brocades and all ribbonet friends, for you the stone shores are crowding, for they call the swaying mass, their eager face turning. Here, captain, dear father, here I am beneath your head. This I am beneath it some dead that on the deck. You're falling cold and dead. My captain does not answer. He sleep all pale and still. My captain does not feel my my arm. He has no pulse, nor will. The ship is anchored safe and sound. The voyage close and done. From the fearful trip, the victor ship comes in the object one. Exalt, O shores, O ring, O bells. Walk the walk the deck, my captain lies, fallen cold and dead.